don't wanna be your ex. We were too good at being friends. Can we still hang out on the low, get wide? I don't wanna be
To get started, I am going to be using this primer by Milani, and it is the Prime Light Primer. It's supposed to give you like a dewy finish, but also minimize your pores. I don't really know if it minimizes my pores, but it does give me a natural glow. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation in the colors 334 and 312. I like this foundation, but sometimes it could be a little too thick and it can make me a little cakey. When blending out this foundation, I do like to use a brush, but I also like to use a damp beauty sponge after, just to make sure that the brush lines are blended, and also this helps to eliminate some of the cakiness. So for concealer, I always use two concealers. The first one I'm going to be using is the Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This concealer is a bit red. I think I'll have to get the neutralizer, but overall I love the formula. It's very blendable and it's buildable, so yeah, I really like that. Because the first concealer wasn't as yellow, I went ahead and took my Fit Me concealer in the color Sand and just placed that wherever I put the first concealer, and then I went ahead and blended that out. To set my concealer and the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in the color Light Medium. This is my first time using it. I'm trying to see if I like it. I kind of like it, I kind of don't. I love how it's no flashback and it's smooth, but it is a bit thick, and I think I got a shade too light. So I think I'll go back, get a darker shade and see how it goes. To bronze on my face, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Beautifully Bronze. I really like this powder. I wish it wasn't so red. I'm having trouble finding like bronzers that aren't so red. I just need to find the perfect bronzer and then I'll be straight. But yeah, this is a good bronzer though, nonetheless. So to make sure that everything is blended well, I like to take my Sephora Micro Smooth Powder and just smooth that all over my face. I take it on a brush and I just literally sweep it all over my face, on my contour, on my highlight. So I could have left it like that, but I really didn't like how my cheeks still look kind of plumped. So just to chisel out my face just a little bit, I went ahead and took my e.l.f. contour palette and I took like the grayish shade and just went underneath the bronzer just to make my cheeks look more slimmer. Then after that, I just went ahead and took my Morphe setting spray and set my face. So my camera ended up dying, so while it was charging, I just went ahead and added lashes, mascara, and some eyeliner. I'll list what I use down below. So for lips, I'm going to be using the NYX Lip Liner in Nutmeg and just some Vaseline. That's basically it. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Molted Gold highlight. Went ahead and put some bronzer on my eyelids because it was just a little bit too bright for me. Overall, this makeup look was okay. I wasn't a big fan of it. I think it was just too much makeup for me. I'll probably have to critique it or use different products and it'll probably come out perfect. But yeah, let me know how you like this look.